My back cracks all the time when I move. Is that a bad sign?
Most of the time, cracking sounds in your back are harmless. They usually come from tiny gas bubbles popping in the joints, not your bones breaking. Unless the cracking comes with pain, swelling, loss of movement, or worsening symptoms, there's no need to worry. In fact, gentle mobility can actually help keep your joints healthy.
So the cracking itself isn't dangerous?
Exactly. And if you want guided mobility routines to keep your back strong and healthy, check out Healactively.
Life is too short for back pain. Healactively.com.